Okay, so we have our new phones that we got shipped in. I don't know which is which, so we're just gonna figure it out as we go. Okay, this one's mine. And this has to be Dad's. Yes, sir. Okay. Let's open up Dad's first since it's iPhone. Everyone knows about iPhone. This is it. Okay, here it is. Yep. Beautiful. And he did get the iPhone 16. Stop focusing. He did get the iPhone 16 Pro Max. So it's bigger than the one he has now. All right, now time for mine. I did not go with Apple this time. I went with a Galaxy S24 Ultra because I wanted a little bit of like a change. So I decided to go with Samsung. Let's see. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at it. I got a violet color. This one like purplish violet. This is it. It's got a little thing on. I'm not gonna take that off yet because I'm gonna put this screen protector on. But there it is. It's beautiful.
Another beautiful day. I went and got the new iPhone 16 Pro Max. I'm on the selfie mode. As you see, I'm holding it up pretty close to my face so we can see the quality of it. It's the Max, so it's the bigger one. So far, great camera. All right, you see right here, I'm in the one-time zoom right now. A 0.5, which I record a lot in. And 2-time zoom. And a new feature, at least to me, I came from the 13 Pro edition, 5-time zoom. Probably gonna lose some stabilization on this one. So let's go back to 1. But like I said, a beautiful day. Got nice colors to it. Putting it right in that sunlight. Yeah, so. But yeah, it's got a different feature than my 13 Pro had. You can actually go from 1, 2, and 5 zoom. That's pretty good. So I like that. Nice addition. Yeah, as you see, I'm ending this video in cinematic mode. We're gonna see how it does. If it makes me blur it out a little bit, I can't tell until I put it in post. But I figured I'd go ahead and end this video on a cinematic note, as I showed you some slow-mo at 120. So I tried to show you some of the different zooms and some general pictures, and maybe I will try to do a comparison video of this and the Samsung S24. That's what my daughter got. So, house divided, right? Seems to be a great phone also. But anyways, hope you enjoyed this quick little review of the iPhone 16 Pro Max. I know it's been out some time, like six or 7 months. But yeah, see you guys on the next video. All right, no light, 6:20 in the morning. I got Biscuit watching me leave. So yeah, you can see it does pretty good in low light also. Sun's fixing to rise. The sun usually rises back there.
Biscuit, look! Look! Get him. Are you hungry? Yeah, get down. You hungry? Do you want to eat? Show me. Yeah? You want to eat? That is what my phone looks like. Kind of like semi-dark. It's not that bright in there, but so my phone looks like in like the semi-darkness, plus the stabilization of it. But Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra compared to Dad's iPhone 16 Pro Max. Pretty sure. But yeah, we put them side by side and see what they look like. I should have took that Excedrin migraine this late. I'm gonna have too much energy.